It is so nice out today. For being November, I think it's the 7th today. Just amazing weather. All right, so last video I had mentioned that I had got new wheels and that I foresaw a burnout coming very soon. Well, sad news, no burnout did take place because the people at the tire shop were going to give me some trade-in value for the tires. So I decided to go with that. So I got a used set of tires. So here we go. All the way around we have 255, 55, 18s. And it gives it a little more tread and a lot better than the stretched look. So the only thing left, I like how this sits, but I will be putting 2-inch wheel adapters on the rear and the fronts, so it'll sit more out in this area. I may even go 3-inch, I'm not sure yet, but that is where we're at. So I just went and did that this morning. So today we're going to be welding a new piece in here, and then, you know, cutting it more, you know, to where this fits way better. So what I did was I popped the hood and stuck a piece of this steel on top, and then traced out with the marker and then cut it. So it's not perfect, but all this side is going to be cut anyways. Found it. All right, so stick it under there. There we go. All right, guys, and there you have it. I am still gonna do a little work and I am gonna end up painting it. But for this video, I think that's it. I think that'll wrap it up. There will be more coming on the channel for this truck. I was just checking the turbo and it seems like there's a lot of shaft play that hadn't used to be there. So it might be time to either rebuild the turbo or step up in size with a different turbo. I do have this turbo. There is a little bit of shaft play, but I don't know, maybe something like this might be fun to try out. Who knows? So that might be an option to stick on here. I feel like it does need a little bigger turbo just personally, but anyways, that looks good. I'm happy with it. I will end up painting it, like I said, and just fine tuning it a little bit. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm out.